I've been training with Tunde for 2 terms now, and in those 2 terms my flexibility and my mobility have improved, and I also don't have as many aches and pains in a couple of injury sites I have in my hip and my shoulder. I noticed my neck doesn't kind of crunch or grind as much as it used to, and I'm feeling some real benefits to learning the movements in Tai Chi and Qigong. The classes are also really lovely bunch of people, and Tunde's a terrific teacher, very insightful and knowledgeable and kind, and it's a real joy to go to.